In this video, I'll show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view on iPhone. The steps are very simple, and the method works the same on any device, but I'll walk you through it directly on the iPhone so you can follow along smoothly. The first thing you need to do is open a web browser on your iPhone. It can be Safari or Chrome, either one is fine. In the address bar, type in mail.yahoo.com and sign into your Yahoo Mail account if you aren't logged in already. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on those lines to open the full menu. This will pull up several options related to your Yahoo Mail account. From here, we need to access your settings, so look at the very top of the menu and tap on the gear icon. After you enter the settings page, you'll see a long list of different customization options for your mailbox. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this page. At the bottom, you will find an option that says Go to Basic Mail. This is important because the basic version is essentially the classic view of Yahoo Mail. Tap on the Basic Mail option. Yahoo will now take you to a small confirmation page. Here, it may ask why you want to switch back to the classic version. You can type a reason if you want, or you can leave the box empty. It doesn't really matter, the switch will still work. After that, tap on the button that says Go to Basic Mail. Once you tap it, Yahoo Mail will instantly switch your interface to the classic layout. The design will look simpler, more familiar, and closer to the older version that many users prefer. The best part is that this change stays applied across devices. So even if you open Yahoo Mail later on another phone, tablet, or computer browser, it will continue loading in the classic view without any extra steps.